How to make passive income with cryptocurrency. When you earn passive income, you are able to earn money on your assets without active involvement on your part. There are 4 ways to generate passive income with cryptocurrencies. 1. Staking. Staking involves lending tokens to a network to validate transactions within the network. This is more efficient than mining, but it can be risky. Most networks require minimum investments before a person can begin staking. 2. Airdrop. Investors receive tokens at random. These are usually deposited to generate goodwill for a coin or a platform. 3. Direct lending. Individuals can set up direct loan opportunities. Other crypto holders can take your holdings and pay you back with interest over time. 4. Earning interest. Depositors put tokens into a crypto bank account. The financial institution lends the crypto and pays the depositor interest in return.